How to fix Instagram's camera not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Instagram's camera is actually not working. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, Instagram's camera could not be working for several reasons. The number one reason could be that the Instagram app is actually lacking your camera access. The other could be due to other permissions, and the last one could be due to lack of updates and bugs in the Instagram app. So I will show you how you can fix all those. The very first thing I want you to do is to simply assure and then make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. So open up your device's respective app store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button there next to Instagram app, instead of open or uninstall, I want you to tap on it in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. An update would generally fix most of your previous issues and bugs which you were facing in the old version of the app. If that didn't help, then there's also another thing we can do. So first of all, just go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, I want you to go to the option called apps. So go to apps, and over here you just want to go ahead and then search for Instagram. So go ahead and select Instagram. Once you select Instagram, go to storage, and once you go to storage, clear the cache, and you might also want to clear the data. But before you do that, there's also another thing that you need to keep in mind, is that you want to come back and the camera could not be working because Instagram app is lacking camera access. So just go ahead and then go to the permissions tab at the top. Over here you want to simply make sure to select camera option, and you want to set it to allow. So if it is set to don't allow or ask every time, it could be one of the reasons why your camera wasn't functioning properly. So go ahead and set it to allow. Now you could go ahead and then simply open up Instagram, try to post a story, video call, just whatever you were trying to do previously, and hopefully one of these would solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.